So as you can see, I've got these spots on my iron, and I think you can see that. And they're just annoying to me because sometimes they catch on fabric. So I got this cleaner. It is the Rowenta Steam Iron Steam Station Sole Plate Cleaning Kit. And so I'm going to give it a shot. I've heard really good things about it. This iron is just a standard iron. It is by Rowenta, but so there's three things included in this kit. There is the Rowenta hot iron cleaner, and then there's like a terry cloth wash, I guess like a washcloth. It's made out of terry cloth. And then there's this microfiber cloth too. So according to the directions, make sure the iron is empty of water, so there's no water in my iron. Set iron to cotton setting, and then it says protect ironing board with an old cloth. Okay, I've got my old cloth. And then fold white cotton terry cloth in two, apply about 2 inches of cleaner to cloth, and place on ironing board. So I've got my cleaning solution on there. It's kind of a dark mustardy color. Rub hot iron in a circular motion over the cloth with the cleaner. You will notice some smoke while cleaning. This is normal. Okay, let's rub it on there and see what happens. But then I can't see where my spots are, so I don't like that. Oh my gosh. Look at that. There's only a few little spots left. I can't believe it. I'm going to give it one more shot. I'm going to put it on a new area. Got a new area. I'm not rubbing hard at all. I'm rubbing it as though I'm like polishing a car. You guys. That's crazy because that stuff was baked on, baked on. There's no spots left. That is really something. Wow. I am super impressed. Okay, I'm going to put the cap back on. Now it says, if coating is heavy, you need to repeat application. Lift off iron, rub sole plate on second colored cloth to remove excess cleaner. So that's this microfiber cloth. So I'm going to lay that down. And that's going to get rid of any excess cleaner that was on there. Oh, look at that. That iron is like new. I can't even believe it. It says, before using the iron, ensure that the sole plate, its edges, and the steam holes are completely free from cleaner. These spots can be washed out or removed with any spot lifter. After cleaning, use the steam and burst of steam feature over an old cloth to ensure all the cleaner is removed. So I'm going to spray some water down on this old cloth. And I'm going to iron over that just to make sure. Because I don't use the steam on my iron, I use a spray bottle. I am super impressed. It's like a mirror. I can see myself in it now. Okay, that's good. So again, this is the Rowenta Steam Iron Steam Station Sole Plate Cleaning Kit. I got this from Amazon. And it says that these cloths, then you can just wash them in a normal washing machine. So that's what I'm going to do. That is my review of this product, and I am more than impressed. It didn't even take any elbow grease. So all of these extra little things that they tell you about to try and to use, I've tried them all. The only thing I haven't tried is scraping my sole plate with a razor, and I didn't want to damage my sole plate. So I highly recommend this. That is my thing, and I'm super impressed. Thanks for watching.